Hi everyone, I'm Karen C. Jackson, and welcome to the channel where we discuss everything weddings, travels, and relationships. So today I wanted to share with you 4 things that I wish I could change about my wedding. So the first thing I wanted to tell you that I would have changed about my wedding is I would have hired a videographer. We didn't think that we would need a photographer and a videographer. So I chose the photographer. After our wedding, friends, sent us videos of different things that had happened. And I thought, wow, it really would have been nice if we had a video, a professional video of the highlights of the wedding and things of that nature. So if I had it to do all over again, I would hire a videographer, professional. So couples, that is just something to think about. The second thing that I would have changed is I would have ordered my wedding gown much sooner. I ordered my wedding gown online. When you order a wedding gown online, you have to allow for the time for the wedding gown to come. You have to open it up, make sure it is what you ordered, and that it does look like it looked in the picture. Then you have to try it on to make sure it's the correct size. And then you have to take it to a seamstress to do any tailoring that needs to be done to the gown. And the tailor seamstress needs, possibly 3 to 4 weeks to do any changes that need to be done to the gown. Anything need to be taken in, let out, and the pressing of the wedding gown, they need time to do that. So I was in a situation where, thank goodness, there weren't really any alternations that needed to be done, except for hemming the gown and a little hook on the side for the train. So, I had to make do in that area. Now, I will tell you that something that I did like was our first dance. So I wanted to show you the first dance and then continue with the other things other 2 things that I wish I could change. I've got to lay my castle away over a dream. I can pick out the perfect come true. Don't you dare. So before we get into the third and fourth thing I would change if I was having a wedding again, if you are interested in the wedding checklist, just put W in the comments and I will send you the link to get your wedding checklist. And also, if you're interested in joining the All Wedding and Travel and Relationships family and joining the email list, please put J in the comments so that you can be added to our email list. And I have a gift for everyone that joins our email list. So again, just click the links. Just send me the W or send me the J or the J and the W if you're interested. So getting into the third thing that I would change is I would have scheduled my makeup artist sooner. Because I scheduled my makeup artist 2 months before the wedding, I had to have my day before makeup appointment and my day of wedding appointment very, very early in the morning. She came to my hotel room at 6 a.m. to do my makeup for me to wear it for a day and see how I like it. And then the day of the wedding, which was the next day, she came again at 6 a.m. So I had to go just about 8 hours with my makeup before I was able to get ready for the wedding. So if I had to do all over again, I would make sure that I would have scheduled my makeup artist maybe 4 or 5 months ahead of time, so that I could have had her as I was right before I got dressed, she would do my makeup. So that is the best scenario as far as your makeup artist and having your makeup done before you get dressed. So you want to make sure that you schedule, book this way ahead of time. So getting into the fourth thing that I would change, it would be that I would have extended my honeymoon. My honeymoon was only a week, and we had the wedding in Cape Cod. And then, since it was a weekend wedding, the next day, we took the wedding guests over to Martha's Vineyard the next day. So basically, our honeymoon was a week, and within that week, we went from Martha's Vineyard to Orlando for a few days. But if I had it to do all over again, I probably would have a 2-week honeymoon. That really gives you time to unwind and really soak in the fact that you're married and rest, rejuvenate from a wedding journey, and just really begin to spend time together. So if I had it to do all over again, I would extend my honeymoon.